Because of the high-end security features offered by IBM Notes, a lot of professionals want to switch from Microsoft Outlook to IBM Notes. No doubt, the conversion of Outlook PST files to NSF format is a hectic task. For an Outlook user who wants to transfer his Outlook PST files to Lotus Notes may have to face several challenges. So, if you are looking for an effortless way to convert PST files to NSF format, then turn on your Outlook and follow the steps described in this video. First, let's check out the prerequisites before installing the software. Microsoft Outlook should be installed and configured properly. If you are using Windows 10/8/7, then launch the tool Run as Administrator. Lotus Notes must be installed and configured properly on your computer. Now let's discuss the working of the software. Download the PST to NSF Converter tool on your system. We have given the download link in the description. Launch the tool Run as Administrator. Click on the Browse button to select the desired PST files. A window will open. Now choose the desired PST files which you want to convert into NSF file format, then click Open. The selected PST files will be listed in an edit box. Click Next. You can preview the PST files information. Click Next to proceed. Now select the desired mailbox items which you want to convert into NSF format. Also, you can apply the date range filter and click on the Add Range button. Now click on the Browse button to define the location for the NSF file. Click on Save Item Content in text format, or you can choose the Save Item Content in HTML format. Once all the options are selected, click on the Next button. A conversion process will start. Wait until it gets completed. Once the conversion process gets completed, click OK. Advantages of using SysinfoTools to NSF Converter software. Export Outlook mail items to NSF. A user can open all mailbox items of Outlook like notes, calendar, task, contacts, etc. Date range filter. The software offers two options to either specify the dates by user's own or by their choice. Tree view display option. After scanning, a user can easily view all mailbox data in an organized way. Auto detect feature. The software automatically detects the details of selected Outlook files like name, contacts, file size, etc. Save selected folders in a hierarchy. There is no alteration with the data of the user. Multiple saving options. A user can save Outlook email content into text or HTML file format. Offers wide support. The software is compatible with all versions of Outlook and IBM Notes. Instant safe conversion. The software performs quick, safe, and accurate conversion of PST files to NSF format. Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.